Welding requires flexibility and concentration for human welders. On the other hand, cobots could provide the consistent quality and never get tired. So the key is to collaborate together to leverage their unique advantages. With intuitive user interface, human workers could teach the cobots how to weld in minutes, no programming skill required. This can greatly reduce the burden on welders, and allowing one welder to operate multiple machines simultaneously to increase the output. Manual welding requires additional grinding time due to inconsistent quality control. In contrast, Cobot Welding ensures stable quality, significantly reduces the burden on operators, and increases productivity. The collaboration makes this production line more flexible while having better quality. This customer used TMAI cobots to manufacture 100+ truss structures with quality beyond the standard. Want to know more about TM Cobot? Just contact us today.